So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can create a connection between LinkedIn leads and Privyr CRM. So like me, if you also use LinkedIn leads to get more leads for your own business, then this video can be really helpful for you, because I know that you are still creating contacts in Privyr CRM manually. Then it's time for a change. You can simply create a connection between LinkedIn and Privyr, and whenever you're going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically the details of that lead will be added in your Privyr CRM, and all of this is going to happen in backend without knowing any programming or coding language using Pabbly Connect. So to do this, open your workflow builder of Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now click on the sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation, because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for LinkedIn and select it. For the event, we have to select it as lead notifications and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. Now it is going to ask you for the credentials of your LinkedIn account. So enter the credentials of your LinkedIn account and click on this sign in, and your LinkedIn account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After doing this, it is going to ask you for the sponsored account. So select it right over here and then click on this save and send test request. If you don't get the option to select the sponsored account, simply click on this refresh fields button and you will see the options. After you click on save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So to capture this webhook response, open the campaign. So as you can see that this is the campaign which I am running and this is the ad which I am running. And now what I want is that whenever someone sees my ad on their LinkedIn, they're interested, and when they click on this apply now, I want to add their lead details into my Privyr CRM. Alright, so to do this, let's click on this apply now and fill in this form. So once we're going to click on this apply now, you're going to see that it is only asking me to enter the email address and the phone number and not the rest of the details. Why? Because my campaign is in draft mode, and that's the reason that I cannot fill in this first name, last name and company name. If your campaign is in live mode, your leads are definitely going to get the option to fill in the rest of the details too. What option I have is to fill in this email address and the phone number. So I'm just going to do the same. I'm just going to fill in this email address and then the phone number and click on this submit. Once I click on this submit, it is saying information sent to Pabbly. So let's open our workflow, but now it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So we just have to wait for a few seconds. Still we are capturing the details of the test submission which we made right now. So further, as you can see that we have generated this test lead by filling in this lead form. So you have two options now. First option is that when you capture this webhook response of the test lead details, you can create this automation using the test lead details and add these details in your Privyr CRM, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. The second option is if you wish to create this automation with the real leads only, then once you capture the response, you can click on recapture webhook response and wait until you receive real lead details. But this is a very time consuming process, so I'll suggest you capture the test details, create this automation using the test details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. Alright, so we just have to wait for a few seconds till the details of this test submission are getting captured over here as a webhook response. And now you can see that we have successfully captured this webhook response, and over here are all the details of the lead. Be the first name, last name, company name, the phone number which we entered, and the email address. Now let's add these in our Privyr. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Privyr CRM and select it. For the event, select create client and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking me for the authentication token. So to get this token, open your Privyr account, then go on this integrations tab. After you come on this integration, scroll and go to this Pabbly Connect and click on this configure button. Now you're going to see that this is the authentication token. So copy this and paste it right over here in your Pabbly Connect account and click on this save, and your Privyr account will be connected with with Pabbly Connect. Now one by one you have to enter all of these details, but we don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So as you can see, I've mapped this name, email and phone number, but now it is asking me for the lead source. Over here for the lead source, I'm just going to enter it as LinkedIn, but we are not going to map it. We're going to keep it as static because this is a static information and it will not change with every new response. The lead source is same, which is LinkedIn. All right, now it is asking me for the keys. So let's say if you also want to add some more details, you can simply switch on this mapping button and enter it right over here. So let's say you want to add company name, so you can type company name, and then automatically a field for company name will appear and you can map it right over here. And further, if you wish to enter 2 or 3 more details, then you can enter the comma separated value like this. So automatically the fields will appear, but I only want to add this company name, so I've added the same. And now let's click on this save and send test request. Now you can see we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details. So let's open our Privyr CRM. Let's go back towards the dashboard right over here towards this clients, and as you can see right now we have this new clients. So let's open it, and as you can see the details, you're going to see the same email address, same phone number, and it is saying lead via Pabbly Connect. You can see this is the name, you can see the phone number and also the company name, and the lead source and the webhook source is Pabbly Connect. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically the client will be created in Privyr. We don't have to create this manually. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. And now don't create any contacts or clients in Privyr manually. Whenever you're going to receive the new lead, it will be done using Pabbly Connect. What you have to do, you just have to sit back and relax. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Till then, if you wish, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check out my workflow and create this for your own business. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.